Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the TD Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in td.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official TD Bank website. Now from the home page, click on personal or small business or the kind of account that you want to create. Once you choose your account, you will find the open an account button. Go ahead and click on it and you will see the various kind of account that you can make on the TD Bank. Just look after the various kind of accounts and click on the apply button and you will be asked whether you are a pre-existing customer. Just click on whichever option applies for you and now you will be taken into the application page. Just choose what kind of option you want and then click on the continue button. After you have chosen all of your account preference, you can type in a promo code if you wish to do so. Then click on the continue button and now you will be asked to enter your credentials. This includes your social security number, your government issued ID, and various other personal and private information. After consenting and providing with each of these informations and clicking on the continue button, you will be allowed to create your credentials to log into your account. Just type in your preferred username and your password, and you can also type in your email address. After continuing forward with all of these, you will receive a verification email within your inbox, and after opening this email and clicking on the link inside, your account will be activated on TD Bank. And now you can simply click on the login page and then use your newly created credentials to log into your account on the TD Bank website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on TD Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.